If you're a content creator dreaming of having content creation be your full-time job, listen up. There's one strategy that can change everything for you, and it's not AdSense. In today's video, I'm going to talk all about memberships, why you should start one, how you should start one, what you should include in a membership, and how it can really enhance your experience on YouTube by creating a membership for your audience and your community. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. First up, why should you create a membership community for your audience on YouTube? Let's be honest, YouTube ad revenue is awesome, but it's unpredictable. Views go up, views go down, ad revenue goes up, ad revenue goes down, and you're left stressed out wondering, how can I sustain my life on this income that is always fluctuating? But with a membership, it gives you predictable recurring income. And it's a way to serve your audience on a deeper level. And it allows you to build a true community and go deeper with that community of loyal fans and people you really get to know on a different level than you would ever get to know on your YouTube channel. Plus, when someone joins your membership, it allows them to give back to you. You've given so much to them that they would be honored to actually give you something back for all the free content you have given to them. And they're not just paying for your videos. They're investing in your leadership, in your guidance, in your ability to speak to them on a level that no one else can speak to them on. You touch their hearts. You make an impact on them. And of course, they would want to access you in a different space so that they could go further and faster with their growth by being more directly connected to you. So, when is the right time to start a membership for your YouTube channel? It's actually earlier than you think. The thing is, you don't need 100,000 subscribers. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need a fancy studio. And you don't need to be an influencer. You simply need to have a clear objective, who you're helping, the transformation that you're providing, and why you're passionate about it. And maybe why you're an authority in that field or in that niche. Even if you have a small channel, maybe 100 to 1,000 subscribers, you can start a membership already. Because here's the thing, remember, it's not about the numbers. It's not about the views or the subscribers. It's about the connection and the value that you will provide in that membership that people are craving. So now that you know you want to start a membership, how do you start a membership? Well, the first step is to choose which membership platform that you would like to go with. There are a plethora of them out there. And actually, in fact, I have created a document you can download for free. You don't have to sign up for my email list. It's in the description below, and it compares 6 different membership platforms for you in order to get started with the platform that is best for you. But the first step, number 1, is to choose a platform. I'll share what platform I use in a second. And number 2 is to pick a price point that works well for you, because they do vary in the fees that they charge, whether it's a percentage or a flat rate monthly. But that is something that you'll want to consider is your budget and which platform is right for you based on that as well. Number 3, you'll need to decide your core offers. Like, what are you offering for this membership? And I'll also talk about that soon as well. And number 4 is you got to launch it messy. You don't need to have all your ducks in a row to get it set up. When I decided to go with the Skool membership, I signed up that day, I launched it that day, and I posted videos on it and got it going as quickly as humanly possible. Was it messy? Yes. Have I updated those videos yet? No. I need to go back and update those videos. But my community has grown to 5,000 people strong. And so you can do it messy and you can just get started as quickly as possible. Okay, next up, what should you include in your membership? Here's a few proven things that work well in memberships. Exclusive tutorials or trainings, extra live calls with you, a bonus content like behind the scenes, vlog style content, or early access to your videos that are going to go public soon, but they get to watch them first. Extra templates, resources, bonus materials, those work really well in membership communities. Group coaching or feedback sessions, those also work well. For example, I go live every week in my community for an hour having a Q&A or bringing in guest speakers and those types of things. So having access to you and an ability to ask you questions is a really great way to get people into your community. And the beautiful thing about building up this membership is that you get to decide how you want to run it and what you can offer to your audience, because you know what they need most based on their comments in the videos, based on what they're asking for you, based on the emails they send you, and all of that. So this gives you an opportunity to really serve on another level to your audience that you can't do simply through YouTube comments. It takes it beyond that, which is really great for growing your audience and I'm getting connected with them on a deeper level. Okay, so now let's talk about the platform that I use. I use the Skool platform. It combines your community feed, courses, live calls, everything all in one place. And the fun thing about Skool is they've actually gamified it. So there's a leaderboard, there's point systems, there's different levels. You can unlock certain things at different levels. So when people come into the community, maybe they don't get access to chat right away. They have to engage with the community a bit, and then they get access to chat. Maybe if they communicate and they stay there a little bit longer, and they engage and everything, then they get access to a course. It's a really fun way to get people engaged in the community and also have a healthy competition within the community itself, because it does become like a game with the leaderboard and seeing who's most active in the community and things like that. Plus, with Skool, it's ever evolving. And the one thing that impressed me so much about Skool is that Sam Ovens himself reached out to me in DMs in Skool to ask me, how can we improve this community? What are you struggling with in this community? What would you like to see in this community? Actually, we've had a conversation back and forth through the DMs. He's even made a Loom call for me. He goes above and beyond. He really cares about making Skool a success. And so they are really paying attention to what's working well, what we as Skool memberships creators are desiring. And so I think it's an amazing platform, and one that goes above and beyond when it comes to worrying about how the customers are feeling with using their products. So I think that really just blew me away, that a man that is so busy, owns Skool platform, took the time out to reach out to me and ask me what I thought about it. And again, Skool is one of the 6 membership communities that I mentioned in that document that's attached below, where I walk through the pros and cons of each membership, because certain memberships offer certain things that you may or may not need. So it'd be good to go with one that offers all the stuff that you need, or the things that you might want to grow into later, rather than creating on a platform and not needing those things, but then later needing those things and having to switch your whole community over to another platform. So it's better to think about what you need right now, but also what you might want later, so that you choose the right platform for you. But check out that document below, because it walks you through 6 different memberships and the pros and cons of each, and what each one offers and why it matters to you. But the bottom line is this: if you want to take this to the next level and you want to make content creation your business or your new 9-to-5, I highly recommend creating a more in-depth connection with your audience in order to truly get to know them and their needs, and also to provide them with more value via a membership community. So I highly recommend a membership community if you're ready to take that leap and grow your community in a new way and connect with beautiful people around the world interested in the same things you're interested in. Thanks for watching. And if you want me to do an in-depth video on Skool, like how to get started with Skool, all the stuff that Skool offers, and show examples from my own platform, just comment Skool in the comments below so that I know that I should create that video. Okay, thanks you guys. See you in the next video.